Hello and welcome to Access Medicine. My name is Melanie Allison and I'm a senior medical editor with McGraw-Hill Education. I'm also a doctor of nursing practice, an acute care nurse practitioner, and a faculty member at a top school of nursing. The purpose of today's brief presentation is to show you all that Access Medicine has to offer. So I'm going to start by logging in with my Access personal account. And you need to do this so you have access to everything that we have to offer. First, we're going to start with our books in the library. And here you'll find over 100 titles. So just about anything you're looking for related to medicine. In the left-hand column here, you'll see that everything is categorized by specialty, so it makes it very easy to find what you're looking for. We have these very, very valuable Harrison's online updates, which happen several times a month. So here you'll find the latest, greatest in medical news and medical updates. Next, I'm going to take you to our quick reference section. So here you're going to find QMDT, which is our quick medical diagnosis and treatment. It's taken from CMDT, our current medical diagnosis and treatment, and this is updated every year. So this is our 2018 version. Everything here is alphabetized, so it makes it very, very easy to find the disease you're looking for. We also have guidelines which are updated annually for primary care. So this goes over disease screening guidelines, disease prevention, disease management, and everything is alphabetized. We also have differential diagnosis tool called Diagnosaurus. That's very helpful for students. And then we have a diagnostic test book. We have Clinical Prep, which is a quick reference guide for medical students, so you can prepare for the wards. It helps you bridge the gap between the classroom and actual patient care experiences. So here I'm just going to pull up a common topic, atopic dermatitis. And there are clinical questions here. So what is eczema? You can see there's some CME attached to this. There's CME actually attached to several of our books as well. The camera here indicates that there is an image associated with that question and answer. We have 2-Minute Medicine. So this is a daily literature report from the 2-Minute Medicine Publishing Group that was founded out of Harvard Medical School. So this is a great way to really stay on top of the literature. They give you an overview of all the major clinical trials. There are new journal articles coming out all the time. And if you're thinking of starting a journal club, or if you already have a journal club, this is a great resource for you. We also have an English-Spanish dictionary and a Spanish-English dictionary. And then we have clinical calculators that you would need to quickly reference while you're in the clinical area. We have drug monographs, which are all inclusive. So anything you need to know about a drug, dosing, let's choose dabigatran. Let's look at their dosing here. So this goes over special populations, people with renal impairment, talks about how to dose with certain concomitant medications. We have a robust multimedia library. These are categorized either by specialty category or by system. And we also have radiology videos, patient safety modules, female reproductive system modules, and pharmacology lectures. So we have, as you can see, procedural videos. This is a 10-minute video. I don't want to take up your time to watch this, but I do encourage you to come on your own to the site and take a look at what we have to offer here. We also have physical examination videos, which are excellent for students. We have a whole library of cases for either students or residents, and then resident level and above. So we have board review cases, and then we have basic science cases such as this from our case files collection. We also have clinical cases for different specialties, so cardiology, dermatology, all of those specialties. And we have a lot of review questions. So we have board review questions for residents, and then we also have questions for students who just want to practice and test their knowledge and really hone their knowledge in a particular area. So you can see here we have Graber and Wilbur's Family Medicine Examination and Board Review. We have Harrison's Principles of Internal Medicine Self-Assessment and Board Review. And then we just have all these different textbooks associated with these questions. So you can see there are many, many questions in most of these. And I'm just going to open up Harrison so you can take a quick look. So let's say I'm in line to get my cup of coffee and I feel like I really need to brush up on my endocrinology and metabolism knowledge. So I'm going to answer just 5 questions very quickly. And before you know it, I've answered all 1,296 questions. We have clerkship topics, and these are listed by specialty. And then they're listed by disease state within the specialty. And these are just turnkey ready. They have associated book chapters, and then they have cases with these. And of course the cases have questions that you can answer with these. So these are great for faculty members. We also have flashcards, and these are associated with many of our different textbooks such as CMDT. So if you want to quiz yourself, you just go to flashcards here, and it will pull up all of our flashcards, and you can scroll through and just choose random, or you can also choose a specific topic. And we have a quiz bowl style game, and you can challenge your friends and play them in a trivia game and see who wins. So another fun way to test your knowledge. Then we have patient education, and so this is written at an appropriate level for patients. You can print off the PDFs here. And we have a new addition to AccessMedicine called the Hospital Corner, and within this section we have books, we have board review for resident level and above. We have a lot of questions there. Cases for resident level and above, and then we have QMDT, your quick reference guide. So within the book section, we have healthcare business books. If you need to do a quality improvement project, we have books on Lean Six Sigma. We have healthcare information, security, and privacy books. That's a very hot topic right now in medical literature. We also have leadership books, and then we have a lot of your clinical books that are very helpful. We have board review, so this is for resident level and above. And then we have cases, and we have nearly 60 new cases on acid-base disturbances, so we're very excited about that. We also have resident readiness, internal medicine, and then we have the Harrison's fluid and electrolyte imbalances and acid-base disturbance cases. We also have our QMDT section listed here, also practice guidelines, diagnostic tests, 2-minute medicine, and calculators again. And since I didn't show you QMDT earlier, I'm just going to take a moment here and show you what that looks like. Everything's alphabetized, and you can see here you have the key features, you have clinical findings, anything you need. If you want to look at a section, you just click on that plus sign and expand it. If you don't want to look at that any longer, you click the minus sign. So that wraps it up for this presentation. I invite you to go to AccessMedicine and use your My Access account to log in and take a closer look at everything that we have to offer. If we can answer any questions for you, please reach out. Thank you so much and have a great day.